Float There is a travel platform for the modern women. Starting with the problem of planning and packing, we're bringing the magic back to travel. We help women look and feel their best while traveling light, all at an accessible price. We curate the perfect rental travel closet for your style and vacation. Wear it on your trip and return what you don't want to keep. Here's what customers say. Erica says that Float There provides outfits that perfectly match her style. Emily loved the flexibility of helping to customize her box. Lauren said that Float There is more than just clothing delivery. It's an entire experience. At Float There, we've curated collections for the most iconic US cities. Our New York collection has everything you need to comfortably explore the city and glam up for the evening. Our Miami collection is built for hanging by the beach and dancing at night. The LA collection is perfect for cruising down Sunset Strip and Beverly Hills. More about us and our partners on our website. Here's how it works. First, take a style quiz to help us know what you like. Then tell us about your vacation, when and where you're going, and what type of activities you're planning to do so we can style you appropriately. We'll ask for your Instagram handle and any celebrity style or influencers you like. Our algorithm and human stylist uses your photos to categorize your unique style and identify pieces that perfectly match you. Last, we ask for your sizing information, how much you usually spend, and which brands you like. Make sure you sign up to see your closet. Your closet has been curated with your style and travel plans and is ready straight away for checkout. You also have the option to add other available styles and swap them with pieces in your closet. I'm going to switch out this white blouse for the Moto jacket because jackets are heavy to bring, and I'll confirm the swap. I'm also going to add the choosy Dahlia dress because I'm curious to try the brand. I really like everything else in my closet, so let's head back and see the new items that I've added. Once you're happy with your closet, go ahead and click Get Your Box. Select the items from your closet that you want to include in your box. Price of the box is based on the number of items you include. I've chosen 9 items and I'll save my selection. Next, select how long you need to rent your box for, anywhere from 3 to 14 days. You can choose one-time purchase or join our frequent traveler plan. You'll get a box from Float There at the travel frequency you choose. And that's it. Try out Float There for your next trip. We'll help you travel light and travel fashionably.